Hi friends, let me show you these new solar deck lights that I received for reviewing purposes. This is a box with 8 lamps. They are sun powered, so they will charge with the sun. Okay, as you can see, here is the solar cell and the lights. Okay, maybe they have some charge. Of course, they turn on with when the sun goes down, so they have this light sensor. That's why they don't turn on right now. But we're going to install them and let you know how they look. As you can see, they are 8. Okay, you get the user manual, of course. Okay, and you get different ways to install them. You get some screws if for any reason you want to screw them to your fence, in your patio, in your deck, wherever you are going to use them. You can screw them here through these holes, or you get this double-sided tape that you can use in this part. Okay, so if you are going to install them in a place where you can't screw them, you can use this double-sided tape like this and fix them wherever you are going to use them. Okay, so I'm going to install them in my patio and see how they look in the night. They have 3 different light colors or types: cold white, warm white, or daylight white. We are going to try all of them when it's dark outside. Let's do it. Installation is easy. We measure the walls, so we install them in a proportional way. We are using the double-sided tape, as you can see. Really easy, just put them tight. As you can see, it's dark already, so the lights are on. They give a really nice lighting accent, lighting decoration. They will turn on whenever they sense it's dark, and they will run until the battery is over. So you want to make sure that they get enough sunlight during the day, so you have a night light accent in the night. If you have an outdoor place, a patio, your office, a hallway, everywhere where you can have them getting sun in the day, you will have this nice light option in the night. So I really recommend them for this kind of light decoration. Thank you.